welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you are doing good. So, in this video, we are going to set up Go in a system. And while we do it, we have to set some environment variables too. So, before we start coding Go in an IDE, we need to set some environment variables and also we need to check whether Go has been installed properly in a system or not. So, let's dive in. So, first type download Go and you will get the first link here. Click on this download and install. Go to this download button and click. So you will find that there are various installers present here for different types of system. So as I am on Windows, so what I will do is I will click on this. It will get downloaded in my system. So I've already installed Go in my system, so I won't be installing it again. But what you have to do is while you download this, once it is downloaded, you just have to follow the default steps and it will get downloaded in your system. Nothing else you have to do. You just have to follow the default step, do next, 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 finish. Just those simple steps, right? Once it is downloaded, you have to open command prompt. Just type cmd. Okay, why it's taking time today. Yeah. So you just have to type CMD and just type go version, right? So see, I have installed this 1.21.6 version for Go. Maybe when you are installing it, maybe some different newer version is present, right? So don't worry about it. You can install the latest version that is present at your time. Now, the other important thing that when we start working with Go is setting up the Go path. Now, what is the Go path? So, for like, there's some settings that have been made with Go programming is that whenever we are working with Go programming, we need to set up a Go path. Go path is basically the initial directory in which we will be creating our all Go projects, right? For example, for me, this is a Go path, C personal Go projects. And inside this Go project directory, I will be creating my all Go projects, right? So now, is it like we would be setting directly, like we would be creating a folder inside this Go projects? No. What we will be doing is we will be creating a directory for Go projects. Like this is my Go path. Then I will be creating a folder called source. Then I will be creating this folder called github.com and then username. Username is basically the GitHub username. And then we will be adding this repository name. Repository name is nothing but the name of the project, right? So why I'm saying you to create this directly like this, because this will help you while you push your code to GitHub, right? So you can see that it is just similar to what you get a GitHub URL, right? If you try to clone your GitHub, and then you will see that you will get similar directory to this, right? So that is why I'm saying that just create this type of directory and repository name will be the project name, right? And you will be good to go. Now, if you wanted to see whether my Go path is being set or not, just you have to type Go path. Yeah, see, I've set the same Go path here, so it is being set. You can just go to your environment variables and set it as user variable in your system, right? And it is good to go. Now, some other commands that are available, you can check it out. Just type go help. You will see that there are various topics that you can cover up with go help command. For example, if I just wanted to run go help, go path, right? So you can see it has given up all the details about go path, what type of directory you can set up, what should be the file extension, right? So you can go up on these details and you can run any other command or any other topic that you wanted to view. For example, let's say go help cache, right? So see, it is telling up about the go command also caches values using fuzzing with go test first. So we're not diving into the deep of these commands. I'm just showing you like you wanted to understand about these topics and wanted some help to understand these topics. So what you can do is just open your command prompt and just type go help and the topic. Whatever the topics that are available here. I'm not saying that you can type any topic, just the topics that are available with Go. You can directly type that and you can view it, right? So this is just a simple step that you need to follow before starting with Go programming language. Now, once you are done with it, you have to open the project into your IDE. So in the last video, if you remember, I told you to install VS Code. Why I did told you to install VS Code? Because in VS Code, if you will see here, right? So I've already installed Go, and VS Code is able to detect my Go programming language, right? So basically, there are some various extensions also you can install. So first extension is, yeah, this Go Rich Go language support. Let me click on this. So you can install this Go team at Google. So it is by Google. So this extension you can install. I'm not sure at your time whether this extension would be available or not, or whether it has been modified or changed. But you can look into that, and you can just type Go in your extensions, and you can install that Go extension, right? So basically, it will help to VS Code to understand Go programming language, right? So you can see the requirements are also mentioned, how to start, how to set up the programming language, right? So it will make your IDE more intelligent, right? So just it's just a simple extension that you can download, right? So I've already opened this. You will see that Adi3011 is the username of my GitHub, right? And then I've created the projects here, right? So just simply create a new project called Go course, right? Just a simple folder, and we are ready to go. Nothing else you have to do. Just ignore the command terminal here, whatever I've written. Just open a new terminal, go to this directory called Go course, right? Now you are ready to go and create your first Go project or your first Go program, right? So in the next video, I will tell you how to write a simple hello world program in Go. So yeah, so in every programming language, when you start, right? So first thing what you do is writing a hello world program. So have you ever wondered why we do that? So let me tell you, we write a hello world program not just because we just wanted to print hello world in a system. No, it gives us a basic idea about the syntax of a programming language. So whenever we are starting with, we just wanted to see a simple syntax of a programming language, like what is the format. For example, when you're working with Java, so when you write a hello world, what you will do? You just write a package name, and then you create a class, and then public static void main, and then just you write a system.out.println hello world inside that, right? And when you run the program, it gets print, right? So in Go also, there's a simple format that you need to create to print this hello world. So in the next video, we will see that. Why we will do that? Because it will help you to understand the format in future videos. So when you will deep dive into this Go programming language, you will notice that we are using that syntax everywhere, right?